So see here, I can create a YouTube channel. I can accept my Google AdSense and accept by my MCN. So people asking one question. Sir, I'm earning for 0 rupees to I can earning every day $10. But I increase per day $100. My aim is called my videos are more videos, but my videos are less than 10 minutes. So if you increase your YouTube earnings, is total dependent by your minutes. Your minutes less than 10 minutes, the ad will be displayed only for one time. So if you go like this, if I'm selecting for any one video, just open. This is only for less than 10 minutes. Here they can show for one yellow triangle here. The yellow triangle will be called ad. So how many minutes video is 1 minute 40 seconds. Now if we close this one, I can select for more than 30 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Now coming to here, so this video totally for 34 minutes. Now open this video here. We can see for how many yellow ads will be there. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In a total 30 minutes video, we have the 15 ads are there. They can watch for 5 videos, 5 ads. Our amount will be increased on your channel. The ad will display will be 2 pattern. One is called here, second will be here. The YouTube ads will display by the 2 areas. One is called overlay ad or display ad. Another 3 will be here. One is called sponsored cards and non-skippable video and skippable videos. Skippable more than 5 seconds. Non-skippable less than 5 seconds. Previous 15 seconds now convert into the 5 seconds. Your video only for 5 seconds. That is called non-skippable. If more than 5 seconds is a skippable video. So coming to here, so see this. This ad will be seeing for user. This is called impression. How many times user can watch your ad? That is called one kind of amount. When you click this ad, is one kind of amount on your YouTube channel. Once coming to this here, where coming to this yellow ad will be changed. See clear? This is a overlay. This is called display ad. So clear? So how to create this much of manual ads for more than 10 minutes videos? Less than 10 minutes ad is 1. So any YouTube channel, any video upload on your channel backend, we can check for video manager. More than 10 minutes videos, we can upload for the manual ads. That is called, we can show here. I can show the 2 options. Less than 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. This ad will be how many? 14 minutes. Click for edit. The option call is monetization. The option call is monetization. Just for loading time will be taken. Once loading will be done, they can open for the monetization option. Just wait for a second. Click for monetization. You can see ad breaks. See here. 1 ad, 2 ad, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So total I'm discuss by how many ads? Total 11 ads. Now click for save changes. This is only for more than 10 minutes video. Now same, you can go back. I can select less than 10 minutes. Here will be there. If you upload for 1 lakh videos is less than 10 minutes, nothing earning will be increased. If you are recommended or you are into trending, the earning will be dependent on only for 1 ad. When increase for more than 10 minutes, you can create by manual ads. Your earnings are increased, ads are increased. Now I'm clicking for 7 minutes. 9 minutes 59 seconds is considered by less than 10 minutes. So you can consider by more than 10 minutes is preferable. So yeah, just I'm clicking for, once loading is done, you can click for monetization. See here, any manuals are there? Why is it less than 10 minutes? So if you go 59, 9 is to 59 or 9 is to 58, that will be less than 10 minutes. When coming to 10.10 is to 00, that will be approved by your manual ads. So the earning will be more for your channel. If you increase your channel earnings, any upload videos are more than 10 minutes are mandatory. So that is called your YouTube earning techniques for any channels. So before uploading any videos, more than 10 minutes are upload